got infected. So, you know, everybody will be online at home.
Okay, okay, that works. And so for our last activity today, we may just do it a little bit different. But oh, well, I think we have some students in the classroom. Well, maybe a couple. Okay. Well, hello everyone. Hello class. Um, let's get started. So today, um, we. Oh, and sorry, you might hear a little bit of thunder. There's a storm going through, so I apologize for that. But um, so today we're going to start learning about taking a trip. So far this summer, we've learned about the continents, the planets, and landforms like mountains or deserts, rivers, and lakes. We've learned about many things. And most of these things, with the exception of maybe the planets, maybe we cannot go to the planets right now. But most of these things, like the mountains or the river or a lake like Sun Moon Lake, are places that you can take a trip to. Take a trip. So today we're going to start part one of our taking a trip. And what is that going to be about? That will be about getting ready for our trip. What do we need to do to get ready for a trip? So that's what we will learn today. Okay, so it's vacation time. Vacation time. So vacation is a word that we use in English to mean taking a trip or going somewhere fun on your time off. Either maybe you're out of school for the summer or your parents are off work. So vacation. Can you all repeat that? Vacation.
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 Yes. So
Vacation.
yes, very good. So taking a vacation is going on a trip. Going on a trip. So let's think about this one question first. Do any of you in the class, does anyone have a trip or a vacation planned for this summer while you're out of school? Are you going somewhere, taking a trip? Does anyone have a place they're going this summer? Oh, maybe you're going to the beach on a beach vacation, or maybe oh, okay. I see someone raise their hand. Bago, you raised your hand. Where are you going, Bago?
I'm going to the beach.
Oh, you're going to the beach. How fun. I love going to the beach. All right. Anyone else? Any other students taking a trip this summer? Yes, go ahead. You raised your hand. Go ahead. Oh, yep. If you raised your hand, you can speak. Go ahead. Oh,
Okay. No.
I'm sorry. Let's see. Let me see if I can find your. I see 410. You're 410.
Alan. Alan.
Alan.
ALAN.
Okay, Alan. Alan, you're up. Alan, where are you going on vacation or a trip that you're taking?
红酒，你举手要讲话。 Okay, let's just skip
Okay,
him.
we'll skip him. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else want to tell me where they're taking a trip to? Anyone else? Okay.
Eric.
Yes, Eric. Where are you going on a
I
trip?
I go to a mountain. I go to a mountain. Yeah. Something.
Oh, that's going to be great. You're going to the mountains, which the mountains was one of our landforms that we learned last week. The mountains. So Eric is going to the mountains. Awesome. All right. So that was question number 1. Now, for those of you who are taking a trip, can you think of anything that you would take with you, that you would bring with you? What are some things that you might bring with you to take with you on your trip? Hmm. Bago, when you go to the beach, what will you take? What will you bring to the beach?
I will bring my swimming suit and
Oh,
and mm, my floating ring.
oh yes, so that you can swim and float and not worry about getting too much, not get in trouble in the
You
water.
know, last time I went to the beach, I bring my float ring and then I go into very deeper water.
Oh, but you were able to go in the very deep water because you had your float rings,
Yes.
right? That's good. That's great. I I used float rings when I was your age. When I was your age, I used float rings too to go in the very deep water. Yes, it's more safe that way. All right. So that's something that you could bring, right? On a trip, things we bring. So today we are going to learn about packing for a trip. And so to pack means that we put things together to bring with us on a vacation. That is to pack. To pack. Okay, everyone? So to pack. So we need to pack for our vacations. We have to pack. So let's watch a quick funny video about Mr. Bean. So Mr. Bean is he's going on a trip. Mr. Bean is going to take a trip, okay? And let's see what Mr. Bean packs on his trip. But pay attention. Watch watch the video and try to remember some things that Mr. Bean takes with him, that he packs for his trip. Because Mr. Bean is going to take a trip and he needs to pack. So let's see what Mr. Bean packs. Okay, so we saw Mr. Bean packing. How did you all think? What do you think about the way Mr. Bean packed? Is that how you pack?
It's very funny and uh, it's
Mhm. It's very funny. It's very funny. And did he what were some of the things? Do you know any of the things that Mr. Bean packed? Bago, what are some of the things that Mr. Bean took with him?
a towel and uh and a big towel and a small towel.
Ah, yes, the big towel and a small towel. Now, what did he do with his pants? Did he take pants?
Yes.
He took the pants, but he didn't take the full pants. He cut his pants. He cut the pants so that they would fit in the suitcase. Yes. So, and what else did you see Mr. Bean take with him? He took something else too. What else did Mr. Bean take with him? Some food. He took some food, didn't he? Yeah, he took some cans of food in his suitcase. That's strange. We don't usually pack cans of food in our suitcase for a trip, do we? No. No, we usually don't. Okay. So, that was a funny video about packing. But now let's talk about the new vocabulary related to packing. So, when we pack for vacation, we put our items in a suitcase or luggage. A suitcase or luggage. Can you repeat that? Suitcase.
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 Suitcase, yeah. Or luggage. Luggage.
Luggage.
Yeah. So there are two words we can use for what we pack our things in for a trip. a suitcase or a luggage. Then there are usually two categories or two groups of items that we bring with us on vacation. Two groups. One of them is clothing. Clothing. So, clothing are things like our shirts, our shorts or pants. Maybe you bring some socks. So, our clothing, that is our clothing. We bring clothing with us on a trip. We bring clothing. The other thing that we usually bring with us on trips are toiletries. Now, this is a harder word. Toiletries. Let's hear that one.
Toiletries.
Trees.
Yeah, toiletries.
Toiletries.
Toiletries. And toiletries are the things that we need to make ourselves to keep ourselves clean or to be healthy, like a toothbrush and toothpaste, so we can brush our teeth while we're on vacation. Maybe we take a special shampoo for our hair. If we like a special shampoo, maybe we take that on vacation, or some lotion. So these are things like toiletries. So now let's learn about them. Let's learn some categories, all right? So we've got clothing and accessories and toiletries. All right. So let's look at these groups. Let's look at some of these. Here we go. First set of clothing. What do you see here? What do you see here? What are these? Bago.
These are pants.
Pants. Good. All right. So that's one thing that we could pack as clothing. All right. Who's someone else? What do you see? What do you see here? What are these?
Shirt.
Yes, shorts. Very good. What about these?
Pants.
They are pants. They are pants. But these are a special kind of pants. So they're a little different. So these are
Jeans.
pants. Ah, there you go. Jeans. So they are pants. Jeans are a type of pants, but they're a special type of pants. So jeans. Okay. What about this? What is this? What is this? Anyone know? Oh, Bago?
Uh, these are shirts.
Yeah, a shirt. This is a shirt. And sometimes we call it a t-shirt. A t-shirt when it's a shirt like this without buttons. So when it's a shirt like this and it doesn't have buttons, like my shirt has buttons. So this is not a t-shirt because it has buttons. And usually it's not a t-shirt either if it's long sleeved. And now we do have long sleeve t-shirts, but sometimes in most cases t-shirts are like this. Okay? Last one. What about this? What is this? Yes.
Swimsuit.
Yeah, a swimsuit. Swimsuit. Yep, a swimsuit. Very good. So we've got 5 categories. We have pants, jeans, shorts, t-shirts,
T-shirts.
and swimsuits.
Suits.
All right. Yes. So far, so good. So far, so good. Now, let's look at some other clothing and accessories. All right. Now, here's our list of words that we can have. Let's see. What are these?
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Yes, I saw. I heard someone say it, and Bago, you raised your hand. I heard someone say it. Yes, sunglasses. Sunglasses. Everyone?
Sunglasses.
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 Yeah. So that might be something you take on vacation. And what about these? A special kind of shoes. A special kind of shoes.
Sandals.
Yes, sandals.
Sandals.
Sandal. Yes.
Sandals.
Very
Sandals.
good.
Sandals.
All right. So ready? Let's all say that.
Sandals.
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 Yes. Yes. Very good. Sandals. Okay. And then now this. What is this one? This is something a little different. It's not quite a coat, but a little bit different than a coat.
Jackets.
Oh, yeah.
Jacket.
A jacket. Yes, a jacket. Yes. High five for that one, for knowing that jacket. Yeah, that's really good. High five. Because we have coats and jackets are a little lighter, not as heavy as a coat, not as heavy. So you can wear it when it's not as cold. Okay. What about these? Of course, these are
Shoes.
shoes. Yes, shoes. And these ones specifically, if we want to really talk about what kind of shoes they are.
Sneakers.
Yes, sneakers. Great job. Great job. Sneakers. Exactly. Exactly. Okay. And now, this last one, what do we call these items? Not any like this.
Watch.
Okay, not a this one's not a watch because it doesn't have the time. So this is a watch because it has the time.
Hmm.
Jewelry.
Yes, jewelry. Jewelry, very good. Jewelry. So this one is jewelry. All right, jewelry. So our new list are jacket,
Jacket.
shoes,
Jacket.
Jacket.
Shoes. Sandals.
sandals, and
Shoes.
jewelry.
Jewelry.
Yeah,
Jewelry.
or
Sunglasses.
sunglasses. Or
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
sunglasses. Yes, jewelry or sunglasses. Very good. Okay, next group. Now, now we're going to something different. Our toiletries. Toiletries. All right. So these are the things that we use to stay clean or to take care of ourselves. Okay. So toiletries. What's this one?
Toothbrush.
Very good. Toothbrush.
Brush.
All right, toothbrush. All right. And now let's see our next one. Goes with the toothbrush. We have
Toothpaste.
toothpaste. Yes. Yes, toothpaste. Good job. Toothpaste. So we've got a toothbrush and toothpaste. Those are usually things that we bring on vacation. We pack for vacation. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay. Now, what about this? Ooh.
Brush.
A brush. A brush. A hairbrush.
Yeah.
This time a hairbrush. A hairbrush. And lastly, our last item of toiletries are, what's that one?
Comb.
Yes. Yes, a comb. A comb. So for our hair, we have a brush. We can brush our hair or we can comb our hair. But usually we take these on vacation too. Okay? So now let's look at the last one. All right, our last group. What is this?
Shampoo.
Oh, not shampoo.
Shampoo.
Not quite shampoo. This is what we put on our.
Sunscreen.
Ah, you got it. Yes, sunscreen. Sunscreen. Yep, sunscreen. All right, and then let's see here. Next, ooh, now what about this?
I
Your
Makeup.
makeup. Yes, makeup.
oh.
Very good. Makeup. So sometimes we might bring makeup on our vacation too. Yep. And
Oh.
what about this? What about
什
this
么？
one?
啊，好笑。
Here's our list of words. What do you think it
What?
is?
I don't know.
没有他是我的。
This one's deodorant. 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 Let's say that one together. Ready? Deodorant.
Deodorant.
Yeah, deodorant. Yeah, deodorant. That's another toiletry that often we bring. Deodorant. One more time, everyone. Deodorant.
Deodorant.
Very good. And last one. Ooh.
Lotion.
Lotion, not quite. This one smells very good. It's okay. Yes, you raised your hand. Yes. Perfume. Yes, perfume. It smells like. It makes us smell really good. Perfume or cologne. Perfume or cologne. Yes, makes us smell very good. So sometimes we take those things on vacation. Now, there are some items that did not make the list, that are not on the list. They're not clothing or toiletries. They're not. So, what else might you pack? What else might be a good idea to pack on vacation? What else do you think? Can anyone think of something that we didn't say here or here that would be good to bring on vacation?
eyeshadow palette.
What was
What
that one? One more time.
eyeshadow palette?
Oh, okay. I didn't quite get that one. Not quite. Almost though.
Makeup.
Makeup. Okay. Oh, eyeshadow. Was it eyeshadow? What she said, eyeshadow. Okay. Bago. What else would you might? What else might you bring?
Flashlight.
A flashlight. Oh, if you're going camping, maybe a flashlight so you can see in the dark. See in the dark. A flashlight. You know what I was thinking? What I thought we should bring on vacation are these things. Our electronics, our phones, our computers, our tablets, our headphones. Yeah, all of those fun electronics. And one of the most important things to bring with your electronics, one of the most important things to bring is your what is this? What is this handy? What is this gadget here? What are these?
What?
What are these?
Charger.
Yes, the chargers. The chargers. We have to bring our chargers for our computers and our phones or our tablets. We have to bring our chargers. So that's another important thing to bring. All right. So now that we've learned a few things that we would pack for vacation, let's try to think of this. Okay. So what I would like everyone to do now is make a list. Make a list, okay, of things that you would take with you, things you would pack for vacation, and then also think of some things that you wouldn't take with you. Because we don't take everything with us on vacation. We don't take everything with us. Do I take would I take my house plant? Would I take my house plant on vacation? Does this come with me on vacation?
No.
No, I don't bring my house plant on vacation. No, I don't bring that. What about my couch cushions? My couch cushions, do I bring these on vacation?
No.
No, no. So these are things we do not bring on vacation. But I want you to think of some things that we do bring on vacation, okay? So I will give you 5 minutes, let's say 4 to 5 minutes, to let's think of 3 things that you would take on vacation. 3 things that you would pack on vacation, okay? And then let's all think of one thing that we would leave behind, that we would not take on vacation. So, 3 things we would pack for vacation, and one thing we would leave behind. Okay? Let's everyone think about that.
So could you give them some help with the vocabulary words?
Oh, sure. Yes. So let's go back. I think let's go back to this because this will help think of things that we could take with us. So, what are of our list here some things that we talked about, like we had our first group of things like our pants, shorts, swimsuit, jeans, or t-shirts. Maybe you'll bring some of those. Or maybe things like jackets, sandals, sunglasses, sneakers or shoes, or jewelry. Maybe you'll take some of that. Oh, what about your toothbrush or toothpaste or a hairbrush or a comb? Maybe some of those things you might pack with you.
Uh, could you? It's a kind of blurry right now. Yeah, it's okay to paste these words
Oh, yes, I can do that.
and yeah,
Sorry.
put them in the chat.
Let's see if I can do that. I know. Sorry about that. Bear with me.
I can type.
You can type. I was gonna just take a screenshot of them because I can't copy and paste them from the Prezi video, but I can take a screenshot and hopefully this will show up better.
好，小朋友要写3样你想要带出去的，1样你不用带出去的。
Hands,
先要，
jeans.
老师可以再说一次吗？
你要打包嘛，你要去旅行，你要写3样，写3样你要带出去的东西。
是写在纸上，还是要
你写在你的纸上，等一下老师叫到你，你就发表一下啊。如果你不知道单字的，你就看老师现在正在 chat room 打字。
All right, so I'm typing them in the chat now for everyone. And just think of a few things. Like I said, 3 things that you might take with you, and 1 thing that maybe you wouldn't take with you on vacation. So let's get started. Does anyone have 3 things that they would take with them on vacation? Since we are almost out of class time today. Anyone have? What might you take on vacation with you? What are some things that you would pack on vacation? Bago, what would you pack on vacation?
I will pack my back. I'll bring my backpack and floating ring
Hmm.
and sunglasses.
Sunglasses, yeah. Oh, and what about, since you're going to the beach, what about sunscreen? You might need some sunscreen so you
Yes.
don't get burned. You don't want a sunburn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm. Anyone else? What would you take on vacation?
Um,
Eric, you're going to the mountains. What are you going to take? What would you take to the mountains?
I take t-shirts, shoes, and water.
Oh,
Water.
water. That's a good one. Yes, for the mountains, you need water. Very good. Let's see. Who else? Who else would like? Yes.
Jhonehe,
Toy.
Toys? What toys would you bring? What toys would you bring?
The Mario toy.
Oh, okay, okay.
And the shoes.
And shoes. Toys and shoes. You're
And
a
and
what else?
water.
And water. Okay, so you are a light packer. You just need toys, shoes, and water. That's all you need. That's all. That's all. Oh goodness. Okay, class. Well, that was part
I
1.
wanted to play.
You just want to play. Yes. Well, that's what we all want to do on vacation. Just have a good time and play. All right. Well, I will see you all next week, and we will start part 2 of our taking a trip, which will be about going to the airport or the train station, which is how we get places that we go on vacation. We take trains or planes. So we'll talk about that next week. Airports and train stations. All right, at class. I will see you next week.
thank you, teacher Quentin. Everybody.
Thank you,
Teacher
teacher.
Bye.
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 你自己看桌上是什么？这什么？这什么？